La 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 la.
Recon. Okay.
Might as well try it. Okay, good.
Recon intel secured. Recon intel secured. Recon intel secured. Recon intel secured. Recon intel secured.
This vehicle or that vehicle?
Mark out.
Be advised, you.
Get a car or airplane or something.
Airplane, I like it.
Helicopter. I want to go in the subway station.
What?
I'll try Subway.
Subway's delicious.
There you go. We're gonna go to the room with the staircase that goes up.
Yeah, this room right here. Yeah.
Diane.
What?
In the room.
I don't know what room you guys went into. Do you guys want privacy? I don't mind. I just.
Yeah, just be careful.
Oh.
Wow, hey.
Wow, you don't have to be
Came to join the party.
Holy moly, this is gonna be fun.
So what's the plan here? Let's say yeah, sure, the circle's within us. Then.
It is gonna be.
Yeah, I get that.
We only go up if the circle starts moving, because we're at the final circle.
Okay. There's a ladder here.
You just be like, hey guys, going for a walk, and then come back and be like, oh wait, but I forgot my wallet. See you later. Oh shit, my cell phone.
Waiting
like, I
around
feel it.
might be a mistake now. Can you tell I'm here?
Gas is moving.
No, you're invisible.
Relax, Diane. Relax.
You never know, man. What if yo? Oh no, there's a person.
Oh man, look at all the poo in here.
Ugh, it stinks.
Got boom dead.
Boom, boom.
I love who painted these, put them all up in the air. You couldn't put them to touching the ground. Oh, now they're on the ground. Oh, this is
They're dead
just-
bodies. Dead bodies.
This is...
I'm like,
they're
but
dead.
look at our kills. Dang.
At least I got some damage. I got 822.
0. Look at me flexing my 0.
I'm fine with that.
Here you go again.
Same
I
here.
heard this before. I heard we died in the gas one point. I'm
And we died
fine
on the
with that.
Oh, dear God.
I'm
I had a
fine.
flashback. Oh no. I think the subway is gonna be a trap now.
Oh yeah, I remember dying in that subway too because of one guy in here in this room. God damn it, man! He's like, come here, come! I got a great plan. I'm like, yeah, let's get it. Fuck yeah!
And we're waiting for
Oh,
gas.
shit.
That was epic, man.
Christ.
That was epic. Diane, I think I killed you a lot of times in the
A
gas.
lot. I trust you a lot. It sucks, bro. I hate it. I hate
Yo,
me
that's
trusting
so
y'all. Fuck that.
That subway one was one of the funniest one ever.
No,
I'm a hawk.
because if they're,
I mean, no, a hawk.
are you
Oh.
being?
The first one was an owl, but I meant to be a hawk. You know a hawk?
Cuckoo, cuckoo. I don't know how they
No.
sound like.
No.
The fuck?
Cook.
Aren't they all like?
No.
My
They go.
God.
What the fuck is going on right now? I swear to God. This is nuts.
You should be camping.
Oh,
Yo, there's a
I'm
lot of action up
crying.
there.
Whew, bad. But you're fine with this. We're cool. We're
I'm fine.
great.
Oh shit.
Yo.
Please tell me that was you.
Oh, it's Brock. He's reloading. He's
That
reloading.
makes sense.
No, it wasn't me. You can reload anytime.
No, you can't.
Yeah, reloads the same clip.
I'm trying right now.
It's coming. It's coming.
What's going on?
Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. No more jokes. No more jokes. I hear walking.
25 remaining. Nicely done.
Yeah, we've been hiding in a fucking room for the whole game.
I was actually counting how many times Diane just
Oh
jumped.
shit, okay, this is gonna be the top part now.
Should I go to the other side?
No, it's okay. They're above us.
This is bad.
Come.
Coming. Yo, there's a guy on your left. Oh shit, team here. Fuck, man.
Oh, Brock. Oh.
Fire shotgun.
Let's come back and
Oh my god, man.
stronger next time.
Dang.